In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Gamma and create tables effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned Gamma user or just starting out, this guide will help you get a better grip on organizing your projects visually. Let's dive right into it. First things first, ensure you've logged into Gamma.app. Once you're on the homepage, head over to the Gamma section. This is your playground where all your creativity comes to life. Now you'll see a list of your projects displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click on any project you wish to work on. It's the perfect way to start setting up and managing your information efficiently. After selecting your project, the next thing you'll want to do is find a blank space on your workspace. You can think of this as your canvas. Click on an open area where you'd like to place a table. Tables are excellent tools for organizing and structuring your data. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, you'll want to add a table. Next, you will notice an option to Add Table pops up on your screen. Click on this option. This makes the process really simple and intuitive, bringing your data to life in a structured way. Once you've added a table, feel free to experiment a little and explore all the capabilities it has to offer. If you're looking for another approach to adding tables, you can certainly do that too. Click on another open space on your project. It's always good to explore various methods, as this will help you adapt to different project needs and keep your workspace diverse and dynamic. Now here comes a crucial part. After you've clicked on a space, make sure to find and click on Basic Blocks over on the right-hand side of your screen. Basic blocks are like building pieces. They are the essential elements that fuel creativity and allow you to customize your workspace exactly how you envision it. Within the Basic Blocks section, you'll find an option to add a table. You could choose a 4x4 table or any configuration that suits your project's requirements. Customization is key here, so feel free to experiment with different sizes and see which one fits your needs best. Remember, the flexibility of Gamma allows you to experiment and customize your projects just the way you like them. Adding tables through different methods ensures that you maintain an organized and cohesive presentation of your data. Keep practicing these steps, and soon enough you'll be managing your projects effortlessly and creatively. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough makes your Gamma experience more enjoyable and efficient. Happy organizing!